What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9 to 5 employees and rookie online business owners. Before we begin, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Every single week, I'll be posting content related to online business and additional income stream for 9 to 5. My Facebook group, Make Money Doing What You Love, is finally here and I'll be holding exclusive training sessions inside for free. So if you're interested, do check it out. I'll leave the link in the comment section and description box down below. Anyways, let's dive in now. In this video, I'm going to focus on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn because I'm currently using these social media platforms for my business. I didn't start my business using these platforms all at once. In fact, I won't recommend you to do so either. I started my business only using Facebook and Instagram. After that, LinkedIn, and slowly dive into YouTube. So let's talk about Facebook first. As of July 2020, according to Statista, Facebook had more than 2.6 billion users worldwide. So it is no surprise that it has become one of the best ways to find your target audience, build an email list, and get new customers. Many of you should know how Facebook makes money. It is through advertisement. When your business is new, what you need is lots of eyeballs in order to lure traffic into your business. This also means you need to allocate budget into running advertisement. One thing good about Facebook is that you are able to target your audience using your preferred campaign objective. If you are interested to know more about campaign objective, drop me a comment in the comment section down below to let me know so that I can shoot a separate video on this topic. Not only that, with more than 2.6 billion users on Facebook, means that Facebook will have data on these 2.6 billion users worldwide. That's the reason why Facebook advertising allows you to target specific demographics based on location, age, gender, and interest. Facebook has helped me to drive countless of traffic into my businesses. So it is undoubtedly very good for business. Facebook also allows you to host your own private group so that you can share your content, give training sessions exclusively for people inside your private group, since free content is the best way to nurture your cold leads to warm leads and to hot leads. Eventually, if you have any paid products or services to offer, these groups of people are very likely to purchase from you. Running a business means you're going to have a Facebook business page instead of a personal profile. There are many key differences between a Facebook business page and a Facebook personal profile, which I'm going to attach it here. You're only allowed to run ads on a business page, and I'm not sure how many of you realize this, but whatever you post on your business page, the reach tends to be lower compared to your private profile. Facebook sets it this way intentionally so that you will promote your post if you want to reach more people. Do I recommend Facebook for business use? Absolutely, provided you have the budget to allocate for ads. Otherwise, you can host your private group to attract your target audience organically, completely for free. The second social media platform I'm going to talk about is Instagram. Instagram allows you to build a community that comes back again and again. Instagram drives more engaged traffic than any other social channel. Research shows that when comparing time on site from various social channels, Instagram beats out other sites like Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Reddit, and many more. Additionally, Instagram helps you to engage with your audience on the social platform, increasing the chance that you can bring customers back for repeat purchase. If someone buys from you and then follows you on Instagram, they are likely to see your brand on a regular basis and purchase from you again. That said, Instagram is an amazing platform, especially for e-commerce. People can just look at the pictures you posted, DM you, and decide immediately whether they want to buy from you or not. I made my 5 figures in 4 months for my clothing business using Instagram alone. Not only that, Instagram is great to reconnect with your audiences. They will feel closer to you because they are able to see your personal life through your Instagram stories. Behind the scenes pictures of offices, stores, buildings, and day-to-day running and staff pictures all shows the side of a business that people don't see often but are very interested in. These snapshots can not only drive our engagement through sheer interest, but create a more trustworthy and easy to connect with business. This kind of content really can improve people's opinions of a business in a way that seems completely natural and less business oriented. I started my coaching business from scratch and I managed to successfully make my first 4-figure sales for my coaching business in just 1 month from Instagram. Instagram photos convert better than other types of visual content because they signal similarity and authenticity. Not everyone loves reading long posts or watching long videos like this. One picture speaks 1,000 words. Sometimes visual content can catch people's attention more. You can have the opinion to share with your picture with your followers on other platforms. When you click post on your Instagram picture, there is the opportunity to share your picture on Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. This easy and simple way to share content across your social media at once saves time, increases your potential audience, and keeps all your profiles regularly updated. Overall, Instagram is a great platform, especially for e-commerce, and it is a good platform to reconnect with your audiences. If you are thinking to build an e-commerce business, having Instagram as your only social media platform to build your business is good. But for other businesses, I would recommend to have other social media platforms and use Instagram to reconnect. Next, LinkedIn. Unlike Instagram, Facebook, or other popular social networking sites, LinkedIn is for professional networking. The organic reach on LinkedIn is massive because it still isn't as popular platform for business yet. I personally only have 50 connections on my LinkedIn, but my posts can reach to 30 overviews. As long as you have people liking or commenting on your post, LinkedIn sees it as a more authoritative and so shares it to more people outside your first level connection. This becomes extremely useful if what you're posting contains a link to your website or blog. Not only that, Google and other search engines rank LinkedIn company pages and posts highly in the search engine results pages. So adding updates to your company pages and optimizing posts for SEO helps to improve your performance in the search result pages. Since it ranks highly in SEO, whatever business you're in, try to refurbish your LinkedIn profile because you never know who is going to stalk your profile. For me, I literally just copy and paste my content to my LinkedIn profile and I treat it as an additional platform to drive traffic. LinkedIn is a lot about business, so it does not provide as many ways of interacting as other social media sites. Arguably, this is a good thing, as LinkedIn focuses on the professional side rather than personal. However, the lack of features such as games, questionnaires, memories often cause people call LinkedIn dull or boring. Lastly, YouTube. I am currently loving YouTube and I'm absolutely grateful that I started this channel. Marketing on YouTube will help you get found on Google. You might have noticed that videos are appearing more often in Google search results. This shows that Google considers video to be as important as text-only pages. Let's say your video title is Social Media Strategy in 2020. If people were to search for social media strategy, there's a chance your video might pop up. Why is this great? Because if people are searching for the title themselves, it means that they are already having a problem and they are looking for a solution for that. If you are able to give them some tips or solve their current problem, you can turn them into liking your content and eventually perhaps becoming your customer. The ability to grow your audience worldwide is one of the biggest benefits of using YouTube for business. Consistently creating videos, content opens the door to new visitors who have never come across your business any other ways. Through YouTube, you can reach a worldwide audience even if you speak only one language. Businesses that focus only in one country tend to have greater concentration risk. Diversifying the risk can protect your business because if a country's economy experiences downside, you still have many other countries to back you up. For me, I expand my businesses globally, and honestly, people who are not from my country tend to find my product and services more affordable due to the currency. Despite all these advantages on YouTube, it does consume a lot of time, especially doing this. But other than this, I'm a big fan of YouTube because it has been driving traffic to my other social media platforms. In a nutshell, each social media platform caters different needs, and I strongly recommend you not to have shiny object syndrome and start one by one, whichever platform you find easiest or you have already been using it. I truly hope these tips are useful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thank you so much for watching it all the way until here. I will see you in the next video.